I'm Jeremy Russell, the 20-minute trader, answering your questions. Next question I get a lot is, why is your pattern so good? Well, there's a couple reasons for that. Number one, and this is by far the most important reason, that is that I'm only in the market for minutes at a time. That means that my money is only invested in the market for seconds or minutes. So I'll buy something and then I'll sell it shortly after. So if there's a huge crash, if there's a correction, a tech sell-off, or anything like that where the stock market crashes, my money is completely safe, it is not invested, and I'm completely not vulnerable to those particular issues. The second reason is that my score rate is about 7 out of 10 of my trades are profitable. I'd say 1 or 2 are break even and 1 or 2 are losing money. So as a result, I end up making a lot more money than I lose. And so it's been incredibly profitable as a result, making anywhere from 10 to even 50% profit per month using that pattern. Hopefully that helps you. If you want more information, go to 20mintrader.com.